Hi, my name is Joseph Coyote, the Creative Director for Observatory Earth Analytics, OEA Consults. As a firm, our underlying desire is to see the government, business, individuals have accurate and actionable data to solving the challenges. And how did we think about coming with all of the solutions that cater to the environment and to the people and to businesses? When OEA Consults was being thought of, we looked through the entire landscape of our city, looked at businesses, looked at governments, looked at even practitioners in the geospatial field, and we realized that there was a key thing missing: the desire for people to solve environmental challenges. And why is this? Because the amount of data that goes into these solutions are quite huge. Earth observation data, satellite data, DEMs, crowdsourced data, data you collect on the field from people, land use, planning data. All of these data cost huge amount of resources, and it's the primary reason why a lot of people shy away from going into this field. They prefer to go into the more commercial aspect, which is just providing solutions. So what did we do? We sat together with our team made up of engineers, planners, geographers, architects, all with vast and incredible amount of knowledge in the geospatial sciences, as well as in artificial intelligence and in machine learning algorithms. And we sat down and decided that let's take the problems one after the other and provide solutions. Our first point of call was in the aspect of transportation, traffic, and we didn't look any further than the Lagos Lagoon, which had the potential of reducing the traffic by over 40%. And what did we decide to do? We decided to map out a section of the lagoon and get the depth of the lagoon using a combination of remote sensing data, drone data, artificial intelligence, machine learning, and some in-situ data. Amazingly, we got a 98% hit on our data. It's a record in turbid waters, and we are expanding on that research, expanding on that portfolio to map out the entire lagoon. When we did this, initially was at our own cost, but then the moment we showed this to government agencies like the Lagos Waterways Authority, they bought into it fully after running spot checks on the data to verify its validity. I can confidently tell you that solutions like this that are cost effective, accurate, and actionable are the primary solutions to our environmental challenges. Thank you.